Hey there, before we get started, if you've enjoyed one of my classes before, please take a quick second to click the subscribe button. It's completely free and helps my channel out so much more than you know. Thank you and enjoy class. Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariana Elizabeth and welcome to your 10-minute everyday morning power Pilates class. Today we're going to keep it under 10 minutes, well, within 10 minutes. So all you'll need is a pair of light weights and your mat, maybe a little towel, and let's go ahead and get started. Coming to your 4-point kneeling, also known as tabletop, we'll just start with some spinal rolls, so sending the hips back and then rounding that spine forward. Inhaling as you drop the belly and rock it back. Exhaling as you press it forward. Maybe even stretching the wrists a little bit here as you rock forward. We'll take 2 more. Last one. Awesome. Bring the knees in together. Hands are going to stay right where they are and just sway your hips side to side. You're going to lift that opposite foot up off of the mat. So your legs are glued together. You might feel a little lower back pop. Perfect. All right, we're going to go ahead and start with arms. You can move your weights out of the way. So we're going to go 8, 4, 2, 1, and then a hold. So we're going to do different types of push-ups. We're going to be layering on the intensity. So starting with the lightest and most accessible. Knees are under your hips, and we're just going to lower the forearms and bring them back up. Lower, keeping that core engaged and straight. Lift. For 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome. Okay, so from here, I'm going to stay right where we are. I'm going to walk my hands in just a tad bit so they're more under my shoulders. And we're just going to literally tip forward, so lifting your heels off of, or lifting the tops of your feet off the mat. And we're just going to tip and up. For 4, tip, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. We're going to add on just a little bit more. So walk those hands out, roll it forward. Core is engaged here as well. Back is nice and flat. We're going to keep those elbows tucked in and take 2 push-ups here. So take them nice and slowly. 1, 2. Awesome. Your arms are probably getting a little heated, but we only have 2 more things to do here. So let's go ahead and come to our high plank. We're going to take 1 push-up here, just 1. So make it your best. Use that core. Keep your body straight. And then hold here for 10, 9, core is engaged, 8, 7, 6, press the mat away, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Come on down. Shift your hips over to the side. Let's get into our core. You can shake your arms out if you need to. Grab 1 of your weights. And I am going to scoot this over. Okay, so first we're going to start with a single leg tap. Single leg toe tap. Take your weight. Make sure your elbows have a little bit of a bend. Legs come up to tabletop. Make sure that your knees are not right above your hips, but just a little bit forward so that your core is engaged, that back is imprinted into the mat. And then we're going to lower the right leg and the arms go back. And then the left. Right. Left. Now that you got the gist of it, lift those shoulders up off the mat. right, and left. Beautiful. Let's do 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Hold it up. We're just going to pass the weight between our legs. So pass, pass, keeping those shoulders as up off the mat as possible. Literally just passing the weight through, getting into that deep core. No space between your lower back and the mat. For 8, 7, 6, 5. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay where you are. Legs come back up. Bring that weight back to your hands. Keeping the shoulders up. We're going to do a double tap. So toes are going to stay together. Tap. And then bring the weight in between your knees. Or your knees in between your arms, I guess. Perfect. For 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We're holding it at 1. 1, hold it out for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, my core. Alrighty, set that weight down. And then windshield wiper your knees side to side. Awesome. Go ahead and rock it all the way up. Gotta watch our time. We only have 3 minutes left. All right, let's go ahead and get into our legs. So you can set your weights to the side. Left forearm is going to come down. Right hand is going to be there to support you. That left leg, the shin is going to be parallel to the side of your mat. And then we're going to bring that right knee right up to the left knee. Goodness gracious, I am losing my words. We're going to lift, lower, straighten, bring it in. Lift, lower, straighten, in. Lift, straighten. Make sure your core is still engaged. Lift and straighten. For 8, 7, 6, 5. Last 4. You got it. 3. Pulse it up in 2. 1. Pulse it up for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Let's go ahead and switch sides. Rock right on over. Right arm is down. Left hand there to support. Right leg is parallel to the mat. It's lift, straighten, lift, straighten. Again, that core is still engaged. We're not dropping and slouching down. For 8, 7, 6, 5. Last 4, 3, pulse it up in 2, 1, pulse it up for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. You can go ahead, bring those legs straight forward on your mat. Flex your toes. Inhale, reach it nice and high. Exhale, forward fold here. Keep that spine nice and elongated. Roll it back. Hands come by your sides. Soles of the feet come down. Let's go into a reverse tabletop. Stretch out those shoulders. Bring it down. Real quick fire log. This is a yoga term. Go ahead and bring the right ankle on top of the left knee. Left ankle underneath the right knee. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold it over. Just to get into those hips a little bit. Roll it up, switch legs. Left ankle in line with the right knee. Option to bring a block or something underneath if it's not quite lining up. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold it down. A few breaths here, and then we will wrap it up. Well, this is wrapping it up. Slowly bring it up. Knees come in together. Give yourself a good squeeze up on your tiptoes. And that is all. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this got the blood moving, and I will see you for our next class. Bye.